Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is a market, and basically we're just going to walk along it. It's very functional, so they have a lot of, actually right there's a lot of kind of cool, this stuff is more for the incense, for all of the shrines and things like that. So if you just saw the other video, you can see some shrines that people will light up quite on a consistent basis. But basically, mostly they're selling fruit. We're pretty close to the border right here. So all this fruit is probably coming over from mainland China and probably quite a bit lower priced. Basically Macau doesn't have much places to grow fruit. So they almost always come from the border. But you know, a lot of them will import it through trucks. This probably just gets walked across. So, and you can see lots of people there carrying their little trays. So that means that they're probably going to carry a lot of bulk. So, okay, this is the kind of fishing stuff. So let's see, you can kind of get the context for it. This is also kind of a residential building, and they got all kinds of stuff on both sides. So this side is more, you know, this is a bakery right here. Actually, let's just kind of take a look. I'm just gonna go through this, and the other side, walk right through. So these are closed today, it looks like, but probably other days they're full. So park right over there, and right down there, there's a so you can see all the residential. There's residential here, residential here. So okay. So basically, let's keep walking. So okay, we're gonna try to walk across and see what all we can see. So, okay, so that's this from this angle. So right there, that's the market right there.